Hey there! Did you know that the average American uses about 141 rolls of toilet paper each year? That's a lot of rolls, and globally factories churn out an astonishing 84 million rolls per day. With such high demand, ever wondered how this essential item is made? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of toilet paper production. Prepare to be wrapped up in the journey from tree to toilet. Toilet paper. It's something we all use but rarely think about. But behind every roll is a story of technology, precision, and care. Let's unwrap this story step by step. Piles of raw materials. Our journey begins in a place like this. A state-of-the-art factory, a marvel of modern engineering and sustainability. But before we see the sophisticated machinery in action, let's delve into the very foundation of toilet paper production, the raw materials. Most toilet paper begins with either virgin wood pulp or recycled paper. The virgin pulp comes from a variety of tree species, carefully selected for their fiber quality, which determines the softness and strength of the final product. On the other hand, recycled paper is an eco-friendly alternative, sourced from post-consumer waste. This not only reduces the need for tree cutting, but also utilizes a de-inking process to ensure the paper's purity and whiteness. In both cases, sustainability and environmental impact are key considerations, with many manufacturers striving to balance quality with ecological responsibility. The choice of raw material not only affects the texture and durability of the toilet paper, but also its environmental footprint, making it a crucial first step in the journey of this essential product. Pulp processing machines. In the factory, the journey of transformation begins. The pulp, whether virgin or recycled, is thoroughly mixed with water, creating a slurry. This mixture is about 99% water and only 1% fiber at this stage. The watery slurry is then fed into a machine for sheet formation, a critical step in determining the paper's final quality. Here, technology plays a pivotal role. Advanced machines spread the slurry onto a moving screen, where the water starts to drain away, leaving behind a mat of interwoven fibers. This screen, functioning like a giant sieve, moves continuously, ensuring uniform thickness and consistency. As the water drips away, the fibers begin to bond, forming the initial structure of what will become the toilet paper. This process is carefully monitored for fiber distribution and density, which are crucial for the final product's softness, strength, and absorbency. It's a delicate balance, where precision and expertise transform a simple mixture into the beginnings of an everyday essential. Drying process. Next up, drying. This stage is vital in defining the toilet paper's final texture and strength. After sheet formation, the wet paper sheet, still containing a significant amount of moisture, is carefully fed through a series of large heated rollers. These rollers are not just hot, they're precisely calibrated to apply the right amount of heat and pressure. Think of it as ironing your clothes, but on an industrial scale and with much greater precision. As the paper passes through these rollers, the remaining water is rapidly evaporated, leaving behind a much drier and firmer sheet. This process also further compacts the fibers, enhancing the paper's strength and smoothness. The temperature and speed of these rollers are meticulously controlled to achieve the desired thickness and texture. Too much heat and the paper becomes brittle, too little and it remains weak and soggy. This drying stage is also where the paper gets much of its softness, an attribute we all appreciate in toilet paper. Additionally, these rollers can be adjusted to produce different types of toilet paper, from ultra-thin to extra-thick, catering to varied consumer preferences. It's a fascinating blend of science and precision engineering, all aimed at creating the perfect roll of toilet paper. Embossing rollers. Now for the softness and patterns. This is where art meets science in toilet paper production. The now dry paper sheet is introduced to embossing rollers, a key step in enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. These rollers are intricately engraved with specific patterns, which can range from simple waves to complex designs, often unique to brands. As the paper passes through, these rollers press the patterns into the paper, not just for visual appeal, but for a crucial functional purpose. This embossing process creates air pockets between the paper layers, contributing to the fluffy texture we all love. It's a delicate balance. Too much pressure and the paper becomes too thin and loses strength. Too little, and the texture isn't sufficiently soft. Additionally, the embossing helps the layers of toilet paper stick together, especially in 2-ply or 3-ply products, enhancing the overall durability and absorbency of the paper. Beyond functionality, these patterns are also a branding tool, with companies using them to distinguish their products in a competitive market. This stage of production transforms the plain paper into the comfortable, soft, and visually appealing product that reaches our homes. Rolling machines. But how does it become a roll? This is where the magic of modern machinery really comes into play. Once embossed, the continuous sheet of toilet paper is ready for its final transformation. Large winding machines take center stage, working with precision and efficiency. These machines wind the lengthy paper sheet onto large reels, each potentially holding enough paper to make thousands of individual rolls. It's a mesmerizing sight as the paper swiftly wraps around the reels, growing thicker with each pass. But these large reels are not what you find in your bathroom. The next step is crucial: cutting and rewinding. The giant reels are moved to specialized machines that unroll and then re-roll the paper into smaller, consumer-sized rolls. It's a process that requires exact measurement and control. The length of each roll, typically measured in sheets or meters, is meticulously calibrated. The machine's blades slice through the paper at precise intervals, ensuring uniformity in size and shape. The rolls are then ready for their final touch: the core. A small cardboard tube is inserted at the center of each roll, providing stability and making it easy to mount on a holder. This stage is not just about functionality, it's about convenience and user experience. Quality control. Quality check. This stage is where each roll undergoes stringent testing to ensure it meets the high standards we all expect. From strength and softness to absorbency and texture, every aspect is scrutinized. Sophisticated machinery and skilled technicians work together to test the tensile strength, ensuring it's strong enough for use but also easy to tear. Softness is measured not just by touch, but with advanced instruments that quantify the feel against the skin. Absorbency tests are conducted to ensure each sheet can effectively soak up moisture without disintegrating. This thorough quality control is vital, especially considering Americans spend between $45 and $100 per person each year on toilet paper. In this industry, consumer satisfaction hinges on consistent quality, and only the rolls that pass every test with flying colors make it to the packaging stage. These tests also include checking for uniformity in roll size and pattern consistency, ensuring that what you buy is exactly what you expect. Quality in the world of toilet paper isn't just a goal, it's a promise. Packaging area. Finally, the rolls are wrapped and packaged, meticulously prepared for their journey to stores and homes across the country. This final step is about more than just aesthetics. It's about ensuring hygiene and convenience. Each roll is individually wrapped or grouped in larger packs, using materials designed to protect the toilet paper from moisture, dust, and contamination during transit. Modern packaging methods also focus on sustainability, with many brands opting for recyclable or biodegradable materials to minimize environmental impact. The packaging not only serves as a protective barrier, but also as a canvas for branding, with vivid designs and information that help consumers make informed choices. As these rolls make their way from the factory to the shelves, they carry with them the assurance of quality, care, and attention to detail that has guided their entire journey. And that's a wrap on the incredible journey of toilet paper, from raw materials to the rolls in our homes. Next time you use a roll, remember the innovation and care behind it. Thanks for joining us on this unique exploration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into everyday items. Until next time, keep on rolling.